page numbers. And now we can do something that every recipe starts on its own page. And we start with a pinda soup, but this spruiten should actually start at its own page. And some people say, well, we do enter, 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 and this kind of things, but that's not the way. The way is to insert something else, and it is break, a break to the new page. And you see I'm working on a Mac. You can also see a key combination. On the PC it will be another, of course. And now at this moment it will start on its own page. And then we go to the risotto, and then we say also insert break, page break. And then at the protocol, insert break, page break. And the Greek, we say also insert break, page break. And now every recipe has its own page. We have more page numbers, of course, and now we can easily see that it is everything else. Well, then we add another thing, and that's a content, the contents of this little book. And therefore, we may create another page break. We say this has to start a page later. Therefore, we say insert break, page break. So the first page is empty, and now you can insert something else. We are standing here, and we can say contents of inhoud. In Dutch, it's called inhoud. It is a heading 2. We say enter, and now we are going to have a normal text. And then therefore, now we can insert it as well. We say insert, and then we say a table of contents. And we can do it with the way it is numbered, with page numbers, or without page numbers, or with links or content. But it is a booklet, so it's not links. We say we'll do it this way. And then we see here all kinds of texts. The color is not my piece of cake. Therefore, I would like to say, I say it's custom. No, it's not custom. Let's create another thing, color with just black. This way. Now we have we look at page 10, then we should find the Griekse yoghurt. So we go to page 10, and then we have here page 10, and we have here a heading, which is mentioned, heading 4, echte Griekse yoghurt. We have ingredients, heading 3, and material. And this should actually also have a color, and we have learned it last week, so of last video. We say here, execute what we say, bold, so it's easier to see, and then we say update heading 4 to match, so that all the other heading 4s are inside. Well, now it's also important to see when this is converted to, for example, normal text, which is quite easy. Then you can see it is not anymore not anymore in the contents when you update it. You see it's gone. And then you can say, well, I created a bold and all those kind of things. But that's not the way you should do. You should create, or you should change the duty of it. It is a heading 2. And now we can update the inhoud again. And there it is back. It's even back with the color of its style. That's not what we like, so therefore we say make it black again. But even that is possible. When we have a style, the style is coming back into the heading of in the contents table.